Hello student, today we are going to start new topic related to linear equation in two variable. First question, find the value of k if x equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Now its solution is the given equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Since it is given that x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of equation 1, so the value of x and y must be satisfied in this equation. So then we have to put x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 in the equation number 1. So we have 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. So after calculation we have 4 plus 3 is equal to k. It gives k is equal to 7. अब इसको हम समझते हैं. जैसे कहा है कि k का मान ज्ञात करिए यदि x इक्वल टू 2 एंड y इक्वल टू 1 इज ए सोल्यूशन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. तो जैसा आप जानते हो कि लीनियर इक्वेशन ऑफ टू वेरिएबल के इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस होते हैं. इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन का मीनिंग ये है कि हम जानते हैं कि ये जो है स्ट्रेट लाइन होता है. अगर इसको ग्राफ में प्लॉट करो तो आपको एक स्ट्रेट लाइन मिलेगा. हम जानते हैं कि स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर इनफाइनाइट पॉइंट्स होते हैं और जितने पॉइंट्स होंगे वो सबके सब सॉल्यूशन कहे जाते हैं. तो यहाँ पे x इक्वल टू 2 y इक्वल टू 1 उनमें से एक पॉइंट है जो उस लाइन के ऊपर होगा विच इज़ 2x प्लस 3y इक्वल टू k और इसका सोल्यूशन है. और इट मीन्स दैट कि अब हमको जब भी एग्ज़ाम इस तरह का क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कहता है कि k का मान ज्ञात करिए जब x इक्वल टू 2 y इक्वल टू 1 दिए गए इक्वेशन का सोल्यूशन है. तो इसका मतलब होता है कि आपको यह पॉइंट उस इक्वेशन के ऊपर रख देना है जहाँ x बराबर 2 रखना है और y की जगह पे 1 यहाँ रखना है. इस तरह से आपने देखा कि हमने x इक्वल टू 2 y इक्वल टू इस इक्वेशन में रखा तो हमारा k का मान 7 आ गया. अब दूसरा क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. नाउ द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ k इफ x इक्वल टू 2 एंड y इक्वल टू -3 इज द सोल्यूशन ऑफ द इक्वेशन kx प्लस 3y इक्वल टू 6. सेम प्रॉब्लम. To write the solution, the given equation is kx plus 3y is equal to 6. You can set this is the equation number first. It is given that x equal to 2 and y is equal to -3 is a solution of the equation kx plus 3y is equal to 6. Here you may write equation first. Solution of equation first or you have to write solution of the equation kx plus 3y is equal to 6. So put x equal to 2 and y is equal to -3 in this equation. So we have k into 2 plus 3 into -3 is equal to 6. Here plus into minus gives minus, 3 into 3 gives 9, k into 2 means 2k. So 2k minus 9 is equal to 6. After calculation we have 2k is equal to 9 plus 6 gives 15. So k is equal to 15 upon 2, k is equal to 7.5. This is our required answer. Third question. If x equal to -2 and y equal to -3 is the solution of the equation 2x minus 3ky is equal to 5k, then find the value of k. This is also a linear equation of two variable x and y. So write the given equation 2x minus 3ky is equal to 5k. Since it is given that x equal to -2 and y equal to -3 is the solution of 2x minus 3ky is equal to 5k. So put the value of x equal to -2 and y equal to -3 in this equation. So we have 2 into -2 minus 3k into -3 is equal to 5k. So we have 2 into -2 gives -4k, minus into minus plus 9, 3 minus into minus plus 3 into 3 9k is equal to 5k. अब आप क्या करो कि 9k को इधर ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो. So we have -4 is equal to 5k minus 9k which gives -4k. Minus minus cancel out. So we have 4 is equal to 4k or k is equal to 4 by 4 which gives k is equal to 1. This is our required solution. Fourth question. If the point 3 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus a 7, then find the value of a. Here we see that this point 3 4. It means that here the value of x is 3 and the value of y is 4. And we know that this is the linear equation of two variables, so it represented a line. We can say that the graph of this equation is a straight line. And we know that these points lies on this graph, so it it means that here we have to put x equal to 3 and y equal to 4 in the given equation. So first we have to write the solution. Now the given equation is 3y equal to ax plus 7. We can write this is equation number first. It is given that 3 4 lies on the graph of the equation, which is 3y equal to ax plus 7. Now if the point 3 4 lies on this graph, so x equal to 3 or y equal to 4 we have to put in the equation, because this point must be satisfy this equation. So we have 3y equal to ax plus 7. On putting the value of x equal to 3 and y equal to 4, we have 3 into 4. We remember here y is 4, so 3 into 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7. After solving we have 12 is equal to 3a plus 7. 7 को आप ट्रांसफर करो, 12 minus 7 is equal to 3k और 5 is equal to 3k, so a is equal to 5/3. So this is our required solution. So in this way we can solve the following question. I hope you can understand well.